Dismantling process. Start by detaching the cable. Next, remove the handle from the insert. Proceed to dismantle the insert. Begin by removing the spring assembly from the insert, followed by detaching the outer tubing from the insert. Post that, remove the blade from its notch. Make sure to remove the blade from the notch properly. Finally, remove the inner tubing. To remove the blade, you'll need a special tool provided with the set. Push the blade towards the front side of the jaw and use the special tool to remove it. Now let's look at the process to assemble AXA 5. For assembly, start with a blade and insert it into the jaw cavity from the front part of the jaw. Use the special tool to push the blade into the jaw securely. Assemble the inner tubing, ensuring that the blade is fixed properly in its notch. Then, assemble the outer tubing. Reattach the spring assembly. Now, assemble the AXA 5 by matching the handle with the insert and press it to lock it in place. Finally, attach the cable. Now, your AXA 5 is ready to use.